Today, I'm going to show you my secret to making fried mozzarella cheese. It's crispy and about as stretchy as any cheese can get, so stay tuned because this recipe is up next. First thing you're going to need is some all-purpose flour, and I'm going to throw in a few pinches of this crab oil seasoning, but you can use Old Bay or even some all-purpose seasoning if you prefer, just something to give it a little bit more flavor. Now I'm going to add a little bit of water to an egg, get this whisked up, and make an egg wash. Now for the breading, I'm going to use seasoned panko. Now my secret weapon is low moisture mozzarella cheese. It often comes pre-sliced like this, and you've probably seen it melted on margarita pizzas. It's a tad bit saltier than most mozzarella, and it has a melt factor that just stays stretchy longer because of the low moisture content. And that just makes it a lot more fun. And one of these packages will give you at least 12 pieces to fry. But we got to put a batter on these so they don't melt in the fryer. Just roll each one of these around in the seasoned flour, then take it over to the egg wash. And a little trick you can do here to keep your fingers clean: toothpick, or you can just stab it with a fork. Just know that these are a little bit delicate and they can tear or rip in half. Now just roll it around or toss it in the panko a bit. I like to even press it into the cheese. But this isn't going to be enough coating. We need to do this twice. So back to the egg wash, and again in the panko. What we're trying to prevent here is that cheese melting and oozing out during the frying process. It's quite messy if that happens. So something like this should work out just fine. And once you've covered a full plate, you can take it to your fryer, or in this case, stove. Got about a ½ inch of hot oil here. And over medium heat, I'm going to set each one of these down very gently, very carefully, preventing splash. The last thing you want is an oil burn. And at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, it should only take about a minute before you come back, flip each one. Make sure you're getting even color on both sides. And once you get them all flipped, you can spend about another minute or so till they get golden brown. And once you're convinced they're the way you like them, go ahead and pull them out. Now that, my friends, is perfect. I usually just set them down on paper towels, but you can put them on a wire rack or whatever your pleasure. Now just plate and serve with marinara or pizza sauce. But check this out. And there you have it, fried mozzarella right here in the Poor Man's Gourmet Kitchen. Thank you for watching, and be sure to stop by PoorMansGourmetKitchen.com for more recipes and exact ingredients.